Anteke.
Hindi ko nang buwang sarili ko. Bakit hindi ko alam ba't gusto kong pinalaman mo gagawan. Malunod sa dagat.
Oh.
Okay. Huh? Okay, go. Take your time.
Alam mo ba, binibenta ko kanina nito. May pagka-scammer siya, be.
Hindi ko nang buwang sarili ko. Bakit hindi ko alam ba't gusto
Ooh, I should hobby, bro.
Licking people's toes. I like licking people's
Yo. Hey, stop. Yo. Yo.
Korean? Hey.
What's huh?
You speak Korean, you speak Korean.
What's this you guys?
Miss from ano? Jollibee, yes. Jollibee.
Hello, hello.
Oh, Macdo.
Is the purple cloud?
Meron na taong nakuwang manok doon sa McDo. Ginawa kong mascot.
Oh. William, might pwede alam mo yung
What's a
alam mo yung bakamay.
Alright, bro.
What's a Gia?
200 ka dyan, balikan ko lang sa susunod.
Ay,
Pwede. Gcash ha.
patay na ako.
Gcash payment. Balikan ko lang sa susunod.
Pero,
Aray ko po.
meron akong ano,
Aray ko.
bibigyan ko ng ano, yung
Are you kidding me?
isang quote.
Ano daw?
누가 거짓말 하네? 나 거짓말 하니까 더
E-daters. You sound like
정말
e-daters.
늦었다고 거짓말 치니까 내가 더 저런 거 아니야.
Mirror? It's a mirror. Oh, yeah, that's so cool.
What is that type of outfit? Ew. What the hell is that? Ew. What type of outfit is that? Disgusting. Ew. You look like you're balding in real life, aren't you? Here's your hairline. Did it disappear?